Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this adorable little pumpkin out of the Dollar Tree decorative metal ribbon. But first, before we do that, let me tell you a little about me for those who are new to my channel. My name is Margie, but I'm also known as Mama Marge. I am a military mom. I'm an artist, I'm a crafter, and an avid DIY creator. I love being creative, and on any given day, you will always catch me doing some sort of upcycling project, a DIY project, or just creating something new. So if crafting, creating art, and DIYs are something that you like and it interests you, then stick around and hang out with me for a little while as we get into it. Right here I took the Dollar Tree ribbon and cut them into 4 strips about 15 inches long, and then I decided to paint them a greenish color. Okay, over here what I did was find the center and evenly line up the strips and use a paper clip to hold it all together. I straightened the paper clip out and pushed it through the little holes that are already in the metal strips. I then twisted it until it was tight. Then I repeated the process on the other side and then proceeded to snip off the excess of the paper clip. Pumpkin needed a base to keep it sturdy so it didn't keep tipping over, so I then glued my pumpkin to a clear plastic coaster that I had in my stash. I then proceeded to embellish it with a knob that I had painted and used antique wax on it. I used reindeer moss for the base, some florals, and a bow made out of raffia and lace. To make the battery-operated candles look real, I used my glue gun and put glue all over the candle and let it drip down the sides. Once it dried, I proceeded to paint the candles. Then I used antique wax on it. Hey everyone, I just wanted to say thank you again for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. It does mean a lot to me. And if you liked what you saw, then kindly leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. And if you haven't already, then please go on over and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget about that little bell so this way you'll know when I upload next. Okay, so everyone, you have a great day and I'll see you next time.